Good afternoon, dear children. This is your science teacher. Now take out your science textbook and open page number 46. So, dear children, as you know that we have already completed our lesson number 4, that is sorting materials into group, and we have also completed our lesson number 5, that is separation of substances. Okay. So I'll provide you the notes of the sorting materials into the group. Okay. So now today let's start our new lesson, that is changes around us. Okay. So dear children, before going through this lesson, you should know some basic concept of this lesson. So that I would like to show you some slides regarding to this lesson, so that you can understand the full lesson. Okay, you will be able to understand the full lesson regarding to that slides. Okay, so let's check out. So, dear children, in introduction, first of all, so what is a change? What is meaning of the change? So, let us now try and define change for the purpose of science. Okay, so we can define it as an act by which a thing forms or become different than its previous self. Okay, for instance, when ice melts, it changes into water. Therefore, it turns its form from solid to liquid. That means this is nothing but the changes from solid to liquid, then again changing liquid to solid. So okay, that means if we have some thing that can be that is ability to change. For example, if you can take the example of ice, if you melt that ice, okay, so what will happen? It will becomes a liquid. That means liquid is nothing but the water. That means you are changing the things. Okay, that means you are changing the ice into the water. Then again, if you freeze that water, you will get the ice cubes again. That means now you are changing the liquid into the solid. Okay, so this is nothing but the change when you can turn its form from solid to liquid or liquid to solids. Okay, or you can change their properties. Okay, so that is known as the change. Now there are some common changes, that is physical and chemical changes. Okay, when something can changing physically or chemically. The physically, that means the inflated balloon. Okay, जब आप बलून फुलाते हो, पहले वो जो है उसका शेप छोटा होता है, लेकिन जब आप उसको फुलाते हो, जब व्हेन यू इन्फ्लेटेड हिम इट इट तो वो क्या हो जाता है, बड़ा हो जाता है, उसका साइज जो है बड़ा हो जाता है. So that is the physical change. Okay, then chemical change. Okay, when for example chemical change, you can say the example of rice. Okay, जो कच्चा राइस होता है, जब उसको बॉईल करते हो तो वो पक जाता है. So that is the chemical change. Okay, we cannot change that. I mean that change is not the reversible. आप वो जो पके हुए चावल को फिर से कच्चा नहीं बना सकते. So that is known as the reversible. Okay, and irreversible. So reversible means you can say the examples of ice. When you melt, we can melt the ice and it will become the liquid, and we can also change into form of we can change the form of liquid into the solid state. That means when we freeze that particular ice, it may be changes into the it will be changing into the liquid. Okay, so this change is reversible change. And as you know that the irreversible change, that is, I have already told you that if you are making something, if you are making for example, if you have egg and when you make omelette, okay, so this is the irreversible change, because you cannot change that omelette into the egg. Okay, आप omelette को फिर से egg नहीं बना सकते. So that is the irreversible change. Okay, then periodic and non-periodic changes. So that is periodic, that means the motion of the earth. Okay, so this is the periodic changes. Okay, and the moon revolves, sorry, the earth revolves around the sun. Okay, so this is the periodic and non-periodic changes. Now these slow and fast changes, as you know that some changes are very slow. Okay, and some changes are very fast. Just like fast changes, when you melt the ice, it will start melting fastly. Okay, so when you cook something, okay, so maybe it is takes some time. Okay, when you cook when you cook rice, okay, you cook when you cook dal inside the cooker, so it will take maybe a 15 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the slow changes. Okay, and fast changes means when change quickly. Okay, so these are some common changes. So we change bring a change in a substance by doing one or more following methods. Okay, so we can also do that following method, that is first the example of slow changes. Okay, so slow changes means the changing baby into the human. Okay, that is adult. Okay, so this is the slow change. Okay, these are the kinds of changes that will happen over a period of time slowly. Okay, for instance means, for example, a boy becoming a man is an example of this, as it happens over the years. Okay, obviously, as you know that it will take I'm maybe 30 or 40 years to become a baby to a man, becoming a man, a boy or a baby becoming a man, it will take 40-30 years. Okay, so that is the slow change. This is the example of slow change. So then a fast change. So as the name suggests, these changes occur sooner. Okay, sooner means बहुत जल्दी हो जाते हैं ये changes. So for instance, for example, a batter turning into a pudding. Okay, so it will take hardly a few minutes for liquid batter to turn into a pudding. Okay, so that means by baking, okay, when if you want to make a pudding, okay, so or you can say the any kind of batter you can take, and if you want to make a pudding, so it will take hardly a few minutes for turn that batter into the pudding. Okay, so this is the fast change. It is very sudden change and quick change. Okay, so now the periodic change. So changes which repeat themselves are called periodic changes. Okay, the changes which repeat themselves are called periodic changes. So that is the day and night, the phases of the moon, beating of heart, clocks striking again an hour, okay, are the examples of periodic changes. Okay, we cannot change that changes. Okay, because it is very a fixed kind of change. Okay, as you know that कि अगर सुबह हुई है तो रात होनी ही है. ओके, सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी परमानेंट काइंड ऑफ चेंज, पीरियोडिक चेंज. ओके, सो ये जो चेंज होते हैं ये रिपीट होते जाते हैं. ठीक है, और वो धीरे 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 जब अपना टाइम लेते हुए रिपीट हो जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द फिजिक्स ऑफ मून, ओके, द बीटिंग ऑफ हार्ट एंड क्लॉक स्ट्राइकिंग अगेन एन आर. ओके, मतलब वो जो होता है ना पेंडुलम क्लॉक, यानी 1 आवर होने के बाद उसका बेल बजता है. ओके, सो दैट इज़ द क्लॉक स्ट्राइकिंग अगेन एन आर. सो आर द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द periodic changes. Okay, so dear children, this is it for today's video. Okay, in tomorrow's video I'll explain you the next changes, that is non-periodic changes. Okay, irreversible and irreversible and reversible changes and so on. Okay, so dear children, if you have any problem regarding to this video, you can ask me anytime. Okay, so till then it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.